Okay guys, we do have a box in front of us and we copped this on a restock. I'm really excited for me to share this unboxing with you. This is the first use on green noise color scheme. Hey you guys, this is your kapatid Didi and we have a new vid just for you. Let's go!
Kapatidenyo!
Guys, as I mentioned, we copped this on a restock. And the box, already given it away with a just do it packaging tape across the box sealing this package. Okay, so without any further ado, let's go ahead and open this box. We just got lucky. Following all the social media and Twitter, we had a notification at the right time. So here we go. Alright, it's open. Look at that. So, a Nike red shoebox, right? We do have a Nike red shoebox, just the ordinary shoebox on our size 9.5. And let's go ahead and show you how does this sneakers look like, alright? Unboxing it, there you go. Okay, so white tissue paper and bam! Look at that. Look at that, you see it? Woo! This is fire. Woo! Look at that, look at that. All 360 for you guys. Yup. See it? This is fire. And this is fire. Woo! Woo! Yup. And the other pair. Look at that. Yeah. Woo! Fire. This is fire. Bone colorway with green noise and sail color scheme. Not to mention double lacing. So guys, what can you say? What can you say about this colorway, huh? It has a sail leather base with a suede overlays. See it? And then you could see that there's a first use printed at the bottom of the swoosh with first use June 18, 1971. White midsole, atop a sail rubber outsole with a diamond set of swoosh on the lace lock. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah? Yeah, yep. This is fire. Quality is really good. Really premium. Yep. Look at that. Yep. Okay, guys, comment down below, how do you feel about this pair of dong? Okay, guys, if you're just new here, I would really appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, so whenever I post a new video, you'll know. Follow me on my Instagram account, that's double_D_kicks. Also, we do have our Facebook page, that's Double D Kicks, and our Facebook group page, that's Kapatid Double D Kicks. Make sure to follow us on those platforms as well. And also guys, once we reach the 2,500 subscribers mark, we will be giving away one pair of sneakers in your preferred size. Alright? I think that's it for now. Thank you, stay safe, and God bless.